Magandang araw mga kabiyahe. Welcome na naman sa isang edisyon ng Road Trekkers. Sa ngayong episode, pupunta tayo sa Siargao. Pero ngayong taon, nakakalungkot isipin na nasalanta ang Siargao ng bagyong Odette. Nasira ang kanilang mga sikat na tourist destination tulad ng Boardwalk, Cloud9 at yung sa Sugba na tinatalunan. Pero subok naman ang mga Pinoy sa mga ganitong hamon na tayo ay makakabangon, makaka-recover ng sama-sama, tulungan tayo. Tara, bisitahin natin ang Siargao.
Okay, maya, naka-video na yan.
You will find this spectacular destination in the middle of a mystical mangrove forest, surrounded by mountains. Sugba Lagoon offers visitors a stunning 4,000 hectares turquoise swimming pool isolated from the hustle and bustle of General Luna. Next stop, Maasin River. Aside from surfing, one of the most photographed and iconic Siargao experience is the curved coconut rope swing in Maasin River. Next, let's swim in Magpupungko Rock Pools. Magpupungko Rock Pools is best enjoyed during the low tide. Magpupungko Rock Pools is another attraction you shouldn't leave out of your Siargao day tour. This tide-dependent pool has been one of the go-to non-surfing spots and is often combined with caves and beaches in a day trip in Siargao. Magpupungko rock pools are exposed during low tide and submerged at high tide, so timing is everything. Visit at the right time and you will surely see crystal blue waters and that cliff jumping experience you've been dreaming. These unique tidal pools are also perfect picture-taking spots, courtesy to its one-of-a-kind pool and rock formations. These pools are located in Pilar. The ride to Magpupungko takes only around 45 minutes from General Luna, but you can rent a van to take you there if you travel as a group. Cloud9 is Siargao's most popular surfing spot. This surfing paradise is the southeast corner of Siargao, in the town of General Luna. Cloud9 is famous for its barreling right hand waves and thick hollow tubes that can make every advanced surfer's heart skip a beat. The best part is that Cloud9 has great waves all year round. But if you want to catch the ocean in its best surfing condition, visit from September to December. The last quarter of the year is the busiest surfing season. Surfers and tourists from all over the world seek to experience the best swells. Let's go now to Guyam Island. Picture a tiny tropical island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean as a grove of luscious palm trees circled by beautiful white sand and lovely array of rock formations. That's Guyam Island. This palm-covered oasis is so small that you can walk to the other side of the island in about 50 steps. Don't be fooled by its size though. Guyam Island may be small, but you'll soon find yourself charmed by its azure waters, powdery sand and reefs. Let's go now to Daku Island. Most prominent among the three famous islands in Siargao, Daku Island is also the most breathtaking one. Imagine turquoise blue sea water that gives you front sea view to plenty of fish and colorful corals. This long strip of beach has cottages and coconut trees, a perfect stop to have a lunch after a morning of hopping from island to island. Let's go now to Naked Island. One of the islets you shouldn't miss out on is an Escapade in Naked Island. Naked Island Tours features one of the three islands you can see from the shores of General Luna. The other two islands are Daku Island and Guyam Island, which along with the Naked Island makes up the highly recommended island hopping tours in Siargao. Naked Island, a 200-meter long strip of sand in the middle of the Pacific, is completely bare, except for a few shells ushered in by the waves. There are no trees or shrubs on Naked Island to give you shade. It may be scorching hot in the noonday, but you're bound to enjoy the excellent contrast between the perfect white sand and the blue sky. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, bye guys.